sure I look okay. Okay. What's up, guys? This is my boyfriend, Joe. We're gonna be giving him a facial today. So, if you guys don't know, I work at a skin clinic, so I'm gonna be using all of those products today. Joe was just telling me he wants a facial because he thinks his skin's not looking so great.
Just a little dry.
All right, so we're gonna start with the cleansing milk. And the cleansing milk has lactic acid. Lactic acid helps to brighten your skin and hydrate it. And it also helps to tighten up your skin too. I'm just gonna do a pretty thick layer. I like to leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, kind of like a mask. Let me see, I thought I had some cleansing stuff.
Did you see the tweet that I posted?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, now I'm gonna take a warm towel that I like soaked in hot water. And I'm gonna wrap his face just so the steam from the yeah. And this is so that the steam from the hot you look so funny. Steam from the hot towel will open up his pores. And then I'm just going to wipe it off. So next we're gonna do an enzyme peel. An enzyme peel helps to exfoliate the skin. I'm gonna layer it with the blueberry glycolic peel.
It's coming.
And I just let that sit for like up to 15 minutes or until the tingling like completely goes away. Because your face starts to tingle when you put these enzymes on. I'm gonna wipe the mask over that.
Just enjoying the sounds of the candle and the tingling sensation on my face. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.
15 minutes later.
Okay, and I'm gonna take another hot towel and wrap his face again. And to wrap their face, I just grab the open part, I guess, and I put it under his chin like that. And just wrap this part over. And I take the part that's like on his hair so that his hair doesn't get wet and I fold it up. And then take this part and wrap it around and do the same thing. Okay, and then just wipe it off.
I'm a big smeller and there's a lot of good smells. 10 out of 10.
Okay. I'm going to dermaplane. Don't try this at home. I'm not encouraging anyone to try this at home unless you know how to actually do it. Usually you should probably wear gloves just in case you cut them, but it's fine. So I just stretch his skin out and then I'll kind of at an angle scrape that dead skin off. Here, let me show you guys the first little scrape. I don't know if you can see it, but right there.
Put me on blast like that.
Your skin's gonna look so good after that. And it just feels kind of like a cat is licking you. Here, Let me get you then.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh gosh. That's nasty looking. Ew.
Ooh, I'm edging you up nice though.
This neck pillow, like.
You want me to get mine?
Can I?
Yeah.
This one just like saggy. This one just firm and plump. Yes. Am I glammed up?
Glammed up. Ooh, it's a new man. Okay, this is another swipe across his forehead right there. You can see all like the dead skin that's on there. For y'all who are about to roast him, that's probably on your face right now, so.
Thank you, thank you. It is. I know you haven't gotten a facial. CM Webb's skincare in Texas now. Call today.
Okay. And now we're gonna do a cold mask. I am just going to spray his face with some liquid moisturizer first because it's probably really dry after dermaplaning. So now we're gonna do a cold mask. And we're gonna use the Charcoal Blend Calming Mask. And charcoal helps to suck out dirt from your pores. I put this in the freezer before next to the tequila because using a cold mask helps to tighten up your pores. So yeah, we're gonna do a cold mask.
It smells so good. I'll buy a candle that smells like that.
You can buy a mask, even better.
Look at me.
Okay, then I'm gonna take a cold wet towel and wrap his face again.
What? It's a cold mask and a cold towel? What are you doing?
20 minutes later.
So that's been on for like 20 minutes and we're just gonna wipe it off. Okay, now we're going to use this B5 Plus serum, and this is a super hydrator.
Oh, that feels nice.
Yeah, I call it magic water because it literally looks like water and it's magical.
Mm-hmm.
Let that dry down.
Okay. He said I'm gonna turn the heater into an AC. I don't know if it works like that.
I said. Next, I'm actually gonna use this clear skin serum. This has time-release retinol in it, so it's gonna help to kind of keep his breakouts under control. So I'm just gonna put it in the area that he breaks out. I'm not gonna put it like all over his face.
That smells like Christmas.
And then we're gonna use the vitamin C oil. And vitamin C oil is good for just all over skin rejuvenation. And this vitamin C oil is gentle enough to put on your hair. So I'm gonna put it literally like all over his face.
Nice. Oh, you mean like eyebrows and everything too? It doesn't matter.
Okay. And then we're gonna use our day moisturizer. And our day moisturizer has titanium dioxide and zinc in it. So it's like the best form of sunscreen you can get. Oh, and I forgot to mention that all of the products that we use were made by Ann Webb, which is the place that I work at. So she makes all of her own products and most of them are vegan and gluten-free. And they're all free of parabens and perfume. So they're all like naturally scented.
I'm not even gonna say it, but this one does smell good.
And the good thing about this moisturizer is even though it has like sunscreen in it, it's not greasy or like it doesn't slide around on your skin. Okay, so next we're gonna use our eye brightening cream. And I just take like the tiniest bit. Well, okay, that's kind of a lot, but usually less than this. And I'm just gonna put it around his eye area.
You told me about the eye bright. And I used it one time when you weren't here, but I used one full pump. And I'm like, it ain't rubbing in.
White circles all over his eyes.
I just got lotion all over my face. I'm like, damn.
He's like the tiniest bit. When I said that, you're probably like.
I was like, oh, the eye bright? That's what I asked.
And then again, just finish off with liquid moisturizer. And we're all done. Put on your skin. Let's get a close-up. You're glowing.
I'm glowing.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, yes. Work it. Cover girl. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Ladies, I encourage all of you to go home and give your mans a facial. Buy all of these products online at awskinclinic.com. I'll put it right here or something if I can figure out how. Thank you, babe, for letting me do a facial on you and for being my clickbait.
Thank you. Oh, really?
Alright, bye.